Show us your love and support by clicking on the subscribe button and bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos and updates.
But I want to read out a nice poem, and there's this little story behind this collection. Almost out of the sky, half of the moon anchors between two mountains. And I was thinking that there was so much shore sharaba going on around that this poem was so still in its way.
Hi guys, this is Kunal and you're watching yet another episode of FC for Charity. Today I have with me a poet from Bengal. She is a teacher as well and she's currently staying in Bangalore. So please welcome with me Shawnee. Hey Shawnee,
Hi everyone. Hello.
how are
Hi.
you doing?
Uh, I'm doing great. Kunal, how are you doing?
Good. You look great. There's definitely something that you're doing in
Yeah.
lockdown that we guys are not doing.
I think I'm reading a lot of poetry, and that's about it.
Ah, all right.
Yeah.
Interesting. But
Yeah.
welcome for FC for
You know,
Charity.
yeah.
And thank you so much for
I'm
being
so
a part
glad
of
you're
it.
doing this.
Oh,
Yeah, thank you so much for making me a part of it. And I'm so glad we're doing this, because I mean, it's great to see that there are so many initiatives being taken, and it's great to be a part of an initiative because, there are only few avenues that come out of armchair activism, and this is definitely one of those avenues. What else can you really do when the world is going through what it's going through? What makes me so happy is that I'm attached to a platform that is that's so whose base is so set in art, in poetry, and we're using that to go out and reach people in general, and especially in times like this, because
yes.
art always attracts people. This
Yes.
is definitely a way of letting people know that, guys, we're doing this, and you're more than welcome to be a part of whatever we are being a part of.
Exactly.
And that isn't that all we can do, right? So I'm so glad that you've started this. I'm so glad that we're all being a part of this. And as you have noticed, people from all over India, right? Our group is like, our whole
Exactly.
poetry
Yeah.
club is like all over India. And then you see people coming together from different perspectives. People like Shafia, who have really done so well in
Yeah.
every poem that she has written, and everyone else actually.
Yeah.
I was just listening to one of Shafia's poems recently, so that's
Okay.
the first thing that came to my mind. But yeah, and people are going out there and they're helping in whatever ways they can through
Yep.
art, through work, through charity. So I think, that this is really, really great that we're doing it. And as much as we keep saying that there's so much negativity in 2020, I think there's one thing that we don't notice, that so many people have come together to do, take over initiatives and do stuff.
Yep.
So that tells us how much we are capable of doing, how much potential we have in thinking about the world at large. So one of my professors back in college used to say this. I'm always reminded of it, that even if you can change one life, it's so much worth it. You
Exactly.
do not have to go around changing everyone's life, because you have to, let's be real, we don't have the potential to always do that. We don't have the means to always do that. But if you can change someone's life for even like a bit, that is so worth it. And so sorry, I cut you short.
No, that's fine. No, you're completely right. Even if we can change one life, it's literally worth it. And that's why I want to request all the viewers. You might be Shawnee's friends or family, my friends and family, anybody who understands the gravity of the situation, to please come ahead and help our country fight COVID. And please help us collect as much donation as possible so that we can help the laborers, the people affected by COVID through the NGO HCNF that we have collaborated with. So if you guys would like to donate, please go to the description section of this video. You will see a payment link there. Click on the link and do your bit. Guys, amount doesn't matter. It can be $100 or $200 or $500, 1,000, whatever you can donate. all of it is going to go for the welfare of the people affected by COVID. So please go ahead and do it. As a sweet thank you note, Shravani actually had agreed to recite a poetry for us. So Shravani, I'm
Yes.
super eager to listen to what poetry you want to recite for us, because your choice of poetry is fantastic. So over to you, Shravani.
Thank you so
All
much.
ready to hear your poetry.
Thank you so much. So for a change, I thought I wouldn't recite something that I have written. Essentially because I have been having this whole stream of consciousness writing, if I may say, for the last 3 months, because I have really not collated things down or put them. I've scribbled things down because that was my only outlet. So I don't think I'm in a headspace to read out something that's mine.
Okay.
But I have a poem by Pablo Neruda that I am going to read out. Yes. So initially I thought I would read out something about what the society needs right now, but I think we have harped on it so much that, and there will be so many other people who would be telling you, I don't want to be telling you what to do.
The same thing.
You would know what to do. Yeah. But I want to read out a nice poem, and there's this little story behind this collection. So I got this collection in 2013. It's the Pablo Neruda 20 Love Poems and a Song of Despair. If you can see the book, yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, and I got this poetry collection in 2013. I think I was in college or something. And though I was not introduced to Neruda through this collection, but this was definitely the first collection that I owned. So it was a very special one. So many, like 7 years have passed, and my viewpoint on both the art and the artist have altered in many ways, and I have not read this after 2013. So when I was coming to Bangalore from Calcutta, I just happened to take this book along because this is a very thin spine. I'll tell you the honest thing, that's why I brought this along. So I packed all other books in the suitcase, and this one was in my carry-on luggage. And it's just because it's light. So I thought, I have not read these poems. This is a light book, I'll just carry. And this, after the lockdown, is when I took this book up, and I've been reading the poems. And as much as, in 7 years, a lot of your perspectives change. You were a very cheerful kid, not really knowing the world back in college, and now you're like quite aware of things. So yeah, but I think this has been a nice throwback, I can say, and hence I picked this book to read. So the poem that I'm going to read today is called Almost Out of the Sky. Almost out of the sky, half of the moon anchors between two mountains, turning, wandering night, the digger of eyes. Let's see how many stars are smashed in the pool. It makes a cross of mourning between my eyes and runs away. Forge of blue metals, nights of stilled combats, my heart revolves like a crazy wheel. Girl who has come from so far, been brought from so far, sometimes your glance flashes out under the sky. Rumbling storm, cyclone of fury. You cross above my heart without stopping. Wind from the tombs carries off. Wrecks scatters your sleepy route. The big trees on the other side of her uprooted. But you, cloudless girl, question of smoke, corn, tassel, you were what the wind was making with illuminated leaves. Behind the nocturnal mountains, while lily of conflagration. I can say nothing. You were made of everything. Longing that sliced my breast into pieces, it is time to take another road, on which she did not smile. Storm that buried the bells, muddy swirl of torments. Why touch her now? Why make her sad? Oh, to follow the road that leads away from everything, without anguish, death, winter waiting along it with their eyes open through the dew. So yeah.
That's so visual. You know what I mean?
It's so visual, right?
Yeah. So
you can
I could
totally
like just
see those meandering roads.
yeah, I could see the mountains. I could see the moon.
Yeah.
I could just see everything. That's so beautiful.
Yeah.
I
And
wonder when.
have you noticed that, you know how some poems have this sound that you feel in the background, right?
Yeah,
You know,
yeah,
the very
yeah.
very sounding poems.
Yeah,
And
I
this
could
poem
hear the
I feel
clouds
is,
and all. I'm like, wow, this is like
yeah,
impactful.
but here, if you notice, you can also feel the stillness with the moons and the mountains. You know, there's this beautiful textured stillness that
Just shows the
you.
book name so that whoever is watching can.
Yes. So this is this is Pablo Neruda.
Okay.
Yeah, I hope you can see it. It's called 20 Love Poems and a Song of Despair. And I was very attracted to the title back as a college girl. So yeah, as you can see, it's a beautiful cover and it's a beautiful collection.
I'm going to look for that book on
It's worth
Amazon.
it.
And yeah, and everybody who is
Yeah,
like
this is
currently
worth
on lockdown, please do two things for us. One, please do charity and donation. That we are
Please do.
mostly pleading you for. Please, please, please. It's not for you. It's not for only you and me. It's for all of us. It's for our country. So please do donate. And second, buy this book and make your life a little more positive in this rough phase. Once again, if you guys want to make a donation, please go to the description section of this video. You'll see a payment link. Click on the link and do your bit. Again, it can be a 500 rupees, it can be a 100, 200, 1,000, anything. Amount doesn't matter, gesture matters. We have to save our country.
Absolutely, guys, gesture matters. And I'll tell you a little secret, it just feels amazing when you do that. So
Yeah.
even if for that selfish bit of interest, please go ahead and do it, because at the end of the day, this is a global pandemic. And once you do your bit, it just feels amazing to know that, all right, I have done my bit. And having said that, please don't think that don't be socially pressurized to think that you have to donate like 5,000 bucks and nothing less than that for it. Please understand, any bit helps. Anything, like, you know, people say that any publicity is good publicity, so any donation is good donation. So
Exactly.
please donate as much as is
you can.
possible for you.
Thank you so much, Shavani, once again. It was such a pleasure to have you and speak with you, and you gave us a book advice as well. So it was fantastic.
Yes.
And thank you to all the
My pleasure.
viewers for sitting through all of this and listening us talk about poetry, about books, and about at the same time about charity. So just one last note: keep smiling, keep the people around you smiling, and let the clown do the frowning. So yeah, thank you so much once again. Bye bye.
Bye, Kunal. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you.